Oh hey guys, I'm sorry if you hear some in the background. It's because of my puppos and stuff, but we are going to play some Roblox and my sister might come out. And I told you I'm making all the videos the same day after the other one. I don't know what I was doing. I was just playing some games, and I'm pretty sure my sisters are coming out. I'm pretty sure my sisters are coming out. Yeah, or their friends. I don't know what to play. I don't want to play that because I still don't want to. I don't know what to play. Oh yeah, I got a game. WWE2. Can I find it? Can I find it? Can I find it? Can I find it? No, 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 no. Oh my god. I need to find it. I'm a really good, like, scoper, killer, you could say, on it. Here it is. Roblox. WW2 beta. I'm really... What? No! You hear the guy who's calling me? Yes, it's my sister's friend. I'm not rude, it's just like, I just said no. Match, team deathmatch. I'm a really good well, not quick scope, but I'm a really good sniper rifle. If you go against me in Black Ops or something, you'd probably lose because I'm like a very good scope killer. But my friend Tristan and his cousin Damien are very good at sniping, and well, they're better than me, but like I could still get them down with the quick scope or no scope or a hard scope. I hate hard scoping though. But sometimes you're gonna have to hard scope. Hard scope. If you hear like, yeah, the girl's calling me. I don't want to go now though. But you see that? That's just me hitting the table. I mean the metal part. But hit the bell button down there. I already told you, but I don't think you heard me the last time. But click the bell button to subscribe and leave a like and leave a comment what game you want me to play next, and I'll play it. I should do a Facebook group. I'm pretty sure some of the people that I might tell about already know me, but like all the people that don't know me, I'd probably do a Facebook review or something like that. I don't know. So go let me play or not. Come on, mate. Moits. I'm gonna go pop, pop, pop. No! Dang. Sorry. Still. Yep, she's coming out. And if you talk, I'm sorry, but she's coming out.
Are you sure you don't want them?
No.
Do you want these noodles?
See, that's what I'm talking about. Sorry.
No, you're right. 1 minute.
Oh.
What the hell?
Yeah, cousin. Emu. Alright, I'm gonna go kill some people. I'm sorry about that. I'm just doing a slimming room. In the bathroom, they're quiet, so I usually go in there, but I'm doing a room. I should have went in the bathroom. I knew it. Dang it. Come on. Stop keeping me on this page and let me kill some people in the game. If you said so, do you love me? I'm gonna have to say because after I don't. When I pop, 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 then boop, boop, boop.
What are you doing? That's cool.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, they're talking. I know. I only got 10 minutes, so hurry up. How in the hell am I oh, sorry, but how am I freaking already in? Okay, I'm doing a sniper class. Do I have a sniper class yet? No. How do I get that in my 50? Yeah, here we go. Alright, let's go. You probably can't hear me. Damn. Bad response. Damn, the Phoenix fucking shooting. Sorry, I think I was just a second. What in the fuck? This game is weird. Very, very weird. What the? Exactly what he said. No joke. Not trying to be rude, just saying though. I'm scared. I want to die. I don't want to be alive. I don't want to. This game is like weird. Yeah. Bro! I'm about to bring out the freaking sentry gun. Girls, talking. Guess what I thought? I got that! God, I shot him directly in the head. I bitch. Oh man, I thought I killed him. Damn. Alright. Colby out of nowhere. Alright, that's why he's coming up. Like bitch.
Can you not do it yourself? Can you
What
not do it yourself?
No.
I just need to call it, bro. I can't do it right now. Hold up.
Okay, there's my sister's talking. I'm talking. I'm sorry. Okay, you know what?
What's up? I answered. What are you talking about?
Oh my god, can I try to dance for the fly? I told you I'd bring out infantry. I swear to God.
I'm not gonna be looking stupid because you didn't text me all day yesterday, all night. You was moving all night?
I'm sorry.
You was moving all night?
Sorry. Damn.
You came back. Okay. Wait, what? I did not hang up on him. How he gonna call me, yell at me, and then hang up on me in the middle of yelling at me? No, nigga. I'm mad.
What did he say?
I don't know. He said something about I'm not listening to this.
Damn it.
Talking about some nigga look real stupid when I post all the stuff that I moved out. Nigga, no, you didn't move all motherfucking night. Your fault.
Damn. What?
Oh.
Damn.
Niggas, bro. Hello.
I'm sorry for talking like that, bro. What happened? That dude broke the whole entire game.
Ethan, say hey to my boyfriend.
No.
Why not?
Cause I'm playing a game.
God damn, bro. I fucking hate niggas. Oh, I just want to throw this motherfucking cigarette, bro.
Don't break it.
I broke a whole Newport at work the other day, bro. It
Oh
was
my
brand
god.
new.
Let's go.
Just go. Wait, where are we going? Right there.
I'm sorry that they're freaking doing that. I swear to God. That was so freaking dumb. I'm so sorry. Oh, but I thought I was playing the game. Like, dude, that was so freaking retarded. I'm sorry. I don't know why I'm coming and freaking say sorry. Oh, I don't know. Team Deathmatch. Come on, let's do this. Come on, I want to kill some people. I want to kill some people. I want to kill some people. You need to shut up. I'm making a YouTube video. Come on. Oh my god, how long is this gonna go on? Game starting in 15 seconds. Let's do this then. Alright. Sniper motherfucker. Alright. It's about to end. So I'm just gonna scope and pop and kill somebody. That's what I need to do. I don't know if I can. But I got this. I got this. Don't try. Get stuck, bitch. Man, this guy sucks. Me too, but I'm not as bad. Damn it! So this is my third video. I'm cussing so much. I swear to God. Bro, they're okay, you know what? They're everywhere, so I'm just gonna get the big boy out. Come on, let's go. Let's go, come on. Come on! I'm scared no one now. What? You got... I swear to fucking God. Oh my God. Alright, this is kind of, I don't even know. I just want to have one kill. At least, just one kill. Oh my. I'm dead, bro. This game. This game, though. I don't get this. I'm just gonna go. This motherfucker. Oh my God. That was so dumb, and this video was like the freaking most craziest video I posted. No joke. But I will saw you guys maybe later. Peace. I'm gonna see you guys maybe tomorrow, or I'm making another video today. But see you guys later. Bye.